how we got Dubai Butterfly Garden to rank on the first page of Google for more than 27 of their total keywords. Please note, these are highly competitive keywords like places to visit in Dubai, tourist spots in Dubai, and best places to visit in Dubai, best theme park in Dubai. And to get them on the first page of Google was no easy task. In just 1 month, we increased their organic traffic by 7%. We generated 7.5 thousand clicks and over 79,000 impressions in just 1 month for their website. So due to our content marketing strategies, we increased their domain authority from 20 all the way to 40 in just 3 months. Our web optimization and on-page optimization team also brought down the website's loading speed to 0.1 second and the LCP to 3.9 seconds. We also increased their health score from 46 to 79 because of all our content marketing and social media and blogging activities. So if you are looking for guaranteed ranking from your SEO agency, then you need to know